If you're looking for some best haircut idea for you, I think you are in the right place. We have compiled lots of black man haircut transformation, and I hope you will enjoy and you will get the right haircut idea from there. We have gathered lots of black man haircut idea like taper fade, mid fade, high taper, and any type of hair. And if you are looking for some right haircut idea for your hair type, what type of hair you have, but we will got you and you will find the best haircut idea for you.
My client pays me $90 for this service because he got tired of other barbers either taking his beard down too low or not giving them a smooth fade on the sides like this. So if you need the best service in Peterborough, tap the link in my bio and stop getting messed up by these other barbers, man. Let's get it.
That was perfect transformation. And here in this video, as you can see, this guy got 360 wave, and I think taper fade haircut gonna work with. Wow, that was perfect mid-fade haircut with twist bong.
Is a $100 haircut better than a $25 haircut? If all you're looking for is just a fade and a lineup, maybe not. $100 cuts are more focused on solving the problem for the client's head shape and personalization, where $25 haircuts are more just for a clean lineup and fade. Now, if you're looking for a level of detail, absolutely the $100 haircut is better.
Wow, that was fantastic. Taper fade with the low.
My client paid me $100 to shave his head and clean up his beard, so I clean up the stragglers to avoid him looking like this. After shaving his head in a hot towel, I begin the lineup process, making a point at the top, and although his beard isn't even all around, and most barbers push it down like this, what is that? I make another point at the bottom and stretch the skin to keep it high, and now I got a perfect guide for the rest of it. I take my time to precisely line those up, and this is the final result. My man is loving it, super clean beard, and it fits his face really well. If you're ever in the Peterborough area and need a similar service, tap the link in my bio and I'll see you soon.
Wow, that was perfect high taper fade with just twist palm. A fresh haircut transformation. Wow.
He paid me $165 to fix his lineup that other barbers would mess up and not get right. I made sure to take my time and give him a detailed service. That way, he's satisfied with the result. As you can see, this is the final result. If you're in the Peterborough area and need a similar service, tap the link in my bio to book your appointment and get the best service in the city.
Spicy. The low skin fade with twist pong on the top. Here we got another tapper fade transformation with the twist pong afro. That was high tapper fade with the shape of line.
Are you looking for a barber who's very detailed and takes his time, ensuring he gives out the best quality haircuts? Well, guess what? You're in good hands. Come check me out. Look at how clean this haircut is. He was ready right before a date, looking so fresh, man. Of course the date went well. It's not even a question. Tap the link in my bio to book your appointment and you will not be disappointed.
Beautiful transformation. Wow. This guy got crispy shape of line with low tapper fade. That was crispy transformation. I love it. Beautiful beard trim that was. Guys, if you're still watching our videos, then that's me, you are enjoying our videos, so don't skip this video. Don't forget to subscribe our video, subscribe our channel, turn on the post notification, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed all of this amazing haircut transformation. And here we go, that was the last haircut transformation. Guys, Thank you so much for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, turn on the post notification to get updated for every new upload.